Hello internet world, welcome to the Monsgeek FUN60 mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular, simply sharing my opinion with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. So this is what the box looks like. Really cool, fun box. FUN60. The 60 refers to the compactness of the keyboard. Now inside the box, apart from the keyboard itself, you do get a keycap puller. You'll also get a separate switch puller as well. You also get a little RF connector as well for wireless connectivity. We also get a really nice cable with little protective caps on. So this is USB-A to USB-C. And then we also get a guide as well for how to switch this between the various modes and how to get the most out of your keyboard. Now, something I really like manufacturers doing is part of the packaging, and also something you can use on a day-to-day basis, is this clear plastic cover. Protects it whilst it's in transit, but also you can use that as a dust cover when the keyboard is not in use. And then we've got this nice compact, really fun, and I'm sorry to say that word, but it is called the FUN60. It is such a cool keyboard. Very, very cool indeed. We've got this little piece here. We've got a metal case to this as well. We've got completely clear, free of symbols, keycaps. But when you look at this side on, you'll see that they're printed along the front edge. Very, very cool indeed. Nice typing angle. Rubber feet on the bottom here. And on the back, we've got the USB-C connection. Really stunning build quality. This is so nice. In fact, for the price, I was really surprised at how well this is built. It is exceptionally good. Also love these sort of slight cut-off angles on the corners. So no really sort of sharp edges anywhere. So when you order your FUN60 keyboard, you can choose between different switches. You've got the likes of the Akko Windy Glare, Gateron Jade Pro, Jade Gaming, and some TTC switches as well. So you can choose that switch and they can easily be replaced. You can even mix and match them, of course. What I really like about this is the keyboard in use and the RGB backlighting. Let's take a look at the backlighting first of all. So it's really evenly lit. You can change the type of backlighting as well. I love the way it shines through these symbols on the front. Just look at this. Very, very nicely done. It's just a stunning looking keyboard. And the typing is equally as stunning. Let's see what it sounds like when we do a bit of typing. All of the keys are very responsive. It's got a nice sort of thonky sort of feel to it. It's not too sort of clickety clackety, but nice and responsive, really good actuation. And I really like the fact that the spacebar sounds a little bit different, but the feel is, it's just evenly sort of matched. So I like the way they've done the spacebar a lot. For productivity, absolutely superb. For gaming, stunning. It looks the part, feels the part, and the build quality is wow. I really do like this. I think the rigidity of the keyboard really adds to the typing experience because we've got this nice solid full metal casing to it. And I think they've done the switches really nicely. The fact that this is available at such a good price point as well just really shows what some manufacturers are capable of. And Monsgeek should be commended on producing a stunning, and I mean stunning quality keyboard. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit the like button and subscribe. Please do hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.